Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to show you a very easy recipe of chicken curry. I made it a few days ago in an instant pot and it came out really nice, so I'm going to show you how I make it. Let's get started. To make chicken curry, here I've got one full chicken cut into curry pieces. I've made puree of 3 tomatoes, 2 diced onions, 1 teaspoon each of ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon red chilies, half a teaspoon turmeric and 1 teaspoon coriander powder and whole garam masala. I'm turning the instant pot to saute mode and setting the time to 10 minutes initially. Now the instant pot is hot. I'm adding 1/3 cup of oil. And next I'm adding all garam masala. So there is cloves, black pepper, black cardamom, green cardamoms, bay leaf and cumin seeds. Now I'm adding 2 diced onions. We need to golden brown the onions and keep on stirring so it doesn't get stuck to the bottom of the instant pot. I'm going to add a little bit of salt to speed up the process of cooking the onions. It's going to take around 10 to 12 minutes. Make sure you keep on stirring in between, and you might need to deglaze it if it gets stuck to the bottom. As you can see that onions are brown now. At this point I'm adding ginger garlic paste. I've also increased the saute settings and increased the timings to 10 more minutes. You need to keep on stirring. And just after 1 minute I am adding chicken pieces. The rawness of ginger garlic has gone and I'm adding chicken pieces now. Now you need to cook the chicken pieces on saute mode again for good 5 minutes. You can see that chicken has changed the color. At this point I'm adding all the spices, so that's red chilies, turmeric and coriander powder. Give it a good mix. And now I'm adding tomato puree. I'm just cooking it for a few minutes on saute. Now I'm adding 1 cup of boiling water, and then we need to pressure cook it for 9 minutes. Make sure that vent is at closed position. I'm going to pressure cook it for 9 minutes, so that's on normal and setting the time to 9 minutes. Okay, now I'm opening the lid of the Instant Pot. Now you can see that chicken curry is all ready, and I'm going to put it on saute mode for a few more minutes. You can adjust the consistency as you like. If you want to dry out the water, you can leave it on saute for longer, but it's all cooked and ready at this point. So in the beginning I added some salt. At this point I'm going to check the salt again, and if it's needed I will add it accordingly.